Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'm going to share with you a brief update. This is a 1958 Chevrolet Corvette. There's been a lot of progress since our latest video. If you recall, we were still sanding some of the original layers of white paint on the lower rocker panels. We still had the front hood and the clamshell cover for the convertible, and the trunk lid was still on. They now have been removed. They've continued sanding, so we had it all down to the gel coat, and now we've got proper repairs done. So we won't bore you too much, but we'll show you. If you recall in an earlier video, there was some body damage here, and that's been corrected and repaired. And then you can see in the door opening, they have the rest of the trim off. They removed the VIN plate. And then you can see here where there's been quite a bit of body work done. There is some spider web cracking. Our door strikers were seized, so they've been removed. And so they've got that opened up. And then you recall in the earlier videos, there was some repair that was done here with some brass screws. They've been removed and redone properly. The earlier product for repair, like up in here, they did some fiberglass matting, but they had the wrong type of body filler, that pink stuff, so that's been removed, and we have our better smoother there. And as we come around the driver's back corner, you can see they've done the repair on the crack above the tailpipe exit where the trim goes on. They've repaired the pockets for the where the bumper brackets go on. And then you can see they've sanded the door openings. We've got it all masked, or sorry, the trunk lid opening. You can see the repair has been done here to the back where it was all cracked and broken. And then we come down this side. So this is our back passenger side. It's in really nice shape. They sanded the rest of the guys and the gals, sanded all the rest of the lacquer and old paint. So that's all been removed. And you can see another proper repair has been done here with the correct smoother. Same idea with the door opening. And then we have our dash face, and everything is all done there. In terms of, most of this gets covered, but they've got it all sanded and prepped. So this is all ready all the way around. And then we've got our door openings are ready. We come up to the front passenger fender. You can see there's some repair that has been done here. And then I think that's it for repair along that section. So the next step, you'll notice it's all masked right now, is we have a high build primer, a spray putty product. So what they're going to do is they're going to wash it, wipe it down, and prepare it. And then what they'll do is they'll get ready and they'll apply. It will bite and bond right into the resin, and it will also fill in some pinholes because it's a high build primer. And then they'll start block sanding and then continuing on with the body repair. So this is a brief update. This is the 1958 Chevrolet Corvette. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.